In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by finding and opening a voice recorder app. If you never used it before, click on While Using and Allow. Then, before starting recording, use those three dots at the top right corner and tap on Settings. Now you can manage all of those options however you want to, like quality. When you're ready, go back and click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. Then tap on Allow one more time. As you can see, your recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it and click on Play button on the left. To add a bookmark, click on this blue icon over here. And to end and save your recording, select this square on the right. Then name it however you want to, and when you finished, select Save. As you can see, my recording is over here. To access list of all your recordings from main screen, click on List at the top right corner. To play one of them, click on the chosen one. You can manage all of those options however you want to by clicking on the chosen ones, like skip silences. If you wish to get rid of your recording, go back, hold it instead of clicking on it and choose Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!